chestnuts roasting on an open fire, and Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Old-time carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe to help make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and many goods on his sleigh, and every mother's child is going to be spied to see if the reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a cover of the song. Please share and like. Thank you.